Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the...
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys my wash day routine. Guys, I am one of the laziest female when it comes to hair, and as much as I know how to do my own hair, I'm just very lazy with it. God help me, I do better on this my new journey. And if you're new on my channel, you're welcome. I am ADUNNI'S of ADUNNI'S, and this tutorial is just like 1, 2, 3. I think it's just like 4 step. Like it's just 4 step. It's very easy for any lazy naturalista, or even if you're relaxed, your hair is relaxed. It's just 4 step and you're good to go. Your scalp is clean, your hair is clean, and you can pop out. I'm not sure. I think I'm almost like 30 weeks post relaxer. I will check the exact date and just put it on the screen. And I'm going to make my hair today, and honestly, since I started transitioning, I feel more comfortable washing my hair at home myself before going to the salon, because not everybody know how to undo 2 different textures. So I just prefer to do it myself since I have all of the things I want to use. So the first thing I did was to go ahead and take this wide tooth comb to comb out my hair. So I actually loosened my hair like a week ago, and I just made it into big cornrows myself at home. So now I'm just gently combing it. Actually, the speed of the video is like 1.5, so you guys might feel like I'm using so much pressure, but no, I wasn't using so much pressure. I was actually combing very gently. So after doing the combing part and making sure that there was no tangle in between my hair, because if there is tangle, it will definitely affect when you're washing it or when you're trying to get it wet and getting your product. So as you guys can see, I thoroughly combed the hair to make sure that there was no tangle in it at all. Then I went ahead to prepare a lukewarm water. I don't really enjoy using cold water for my hair, so I just made it like tiny bit warm, and I made sure that my hair was really wet before going in with any conditioner or any shampoo. My hair was really wet, so it's going to like give the conditioner or the shampoo that I'm going to be using a thorough, like it's going to make it penetrate into my hair properly. So I went in the first time with a conditioner, and guys, I scrubbed my hair properly. Like I scrubbed it so well, like my hand was aching, so I made sure to scrub all of the pad, and I was using the pad of my fingers, like the fleshy parts, not your nails, because you don't want to end up with scars on your scalp. So I was using the pad of my hair, as you guys can see in the video. So after the first time, I rinsed it out, and then I checked my scalp to see if I was satisfied. Then I wasn't, so I went again with cleansing my scalp. You can use any shampoo or any conditioner of your choice. I'm yet to find a staple, like a conditioner that I will like so much, but I showed you guys every other products that I used in this video. So when I find a conditioner and a shampoo that I am okay with, I'll definitely be sharing with you guys. So after the second rinse and the second wash and the second rinse, I went ahead with my deep conditioner, and my deep conditioner is from Mega Growth. Guys, I like this deep conditioner. It smells so good. It smells really nice. I like the consistency. It sounds like a semi-thick custardy. Guys, honestly, I'm not going to try to even describe it, but it's not thick and it's not liquid, so it's just in between. It's like semi-thick, not thick. It's not as thick as when you make swallow. But it's just very nice, and it gets the job done, guys. And whenever I'm using products, if I'm not going to use a product at all, I am not going to use it. And if I'm going to use it, I am going to use it generously, guys. I use it generously to every part of my hair, because I want everywhere to get conditioned. So I use it on every part of my hair, and this conditioner is actually very good. It gets the job done for my hair. It gets my hair soft. I'll put a picture just in case you guys didn't see it. but I'm sure you guys saw it. Actually, it's Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, and this was just me admiring my 2-inch coil, or 1 inch, or 1.5 inch. I was just admiring it, and honestly, it's just the beauty for me, the growth. Like, this is something I've always admired, and I really, really love it. So I'm just putting in the work, guys. I'm really just putting in the work. So I went ahead to use a, what's this thing called, nylon, to cover my head, and I went with my bonnet, and I left it for like 10 minutes, and I went ahead doing other things I wanted to do. So after 10 minutes I came back, and guys, my hair was so soft. Like, my hair was feeling very soft. It was feeling very, very soft, and like the liquid, the conditioner was already dripping out. So I actually spent exactly 10 minutes to wrap it. So after that, I went out with my white tooth comb again, to just comb it out and separate it, guys. That was basically what I did in this stage. And guys, my hair feels so soft. God, I don't know yet. But for now, I am hooked with this particular product, and it's actually very, very affordable, and it's easily accessible. I wouldn't want to start in a product that I will have to be calling somebody in the UK or somebody in the US to ship to me, or that it won't be available and I will have to start. No, Mega Grow products is actually very accessible. Guys, this is not sponsored, and in all of this, guys, see just the amount of air that shed. Very little. I'm going to show you guys the amount of air that shed total in all of this process. So at the end of this, after me massaging and caressing, I rinsed it off, and I used this cotton towel to just pat, like pat, is it pats, pats, like to just pat my hair. And then I went in with my Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. And guys, just like the deep conditioner, this also has a very nice scent. I like it very much. It's pink in color. So this I just use and put it into my hair. Like, I just make sure that it goes round to my scalp, the body of the hair, and my tips, my edges, and just everywhere. And the last thing I use in this process is my anti-dandruff spray. So I noticed that my hair is kind of prone to dandruff, so I started using this product, and since then I have not experienced dandruff. And also, guys, my hair has not been itching. My hair used to be very, very itchy. But since I started using these products, it's been good. And that's just, it's like, that is all I do. So this was everything that shed in my hair, both detangling, washing, blow drying, and I'm so happy. Like, I'm actually very, very grateful, because I used to have a lot of shedding in my hair. Like, I used to have a lot of shedding. Let's do this. So I used to have a lot of shedding in my hair, and I'm just really grateful that the shedding has reduced. Like, it has reduced drastically, if you ask me. And now I was blow drying it, but they took the light, so I'm going to go and finish blow drying it at the salon. And this is the hair cream I use when making my hair. It's TCB, and I think TCB is like a sister brand to Mega Growth. I think so. Yes, I think so. I don't know, actually. I don't know, but I just found this hair product. My hairstylist actually recommended it, and I liked it since I've been using it. I've actually not used it a lot because I'm not. Let me show you guys how far I have used it. Let me put this here. I'm not really like an hair cream girl, so I'm more of oil. So I've not used it a lot. So my hairstylist actually recommended it, and I think it's okay. I actually like it. I like it. It's not I think it's okay. I like it. So I'll just go to the salon now, and they will help me finish blow drying it at the salon. And this camera is just moving on its own, guys. It is moving on its own. I don't even know if it's focusing. So I'll just go to the salon and put it in the corner. I don't want to leave it out, because I realized the last time I left it out, I don't know if that was what made my hair more painful, but I'm just trying to avoid anything that would discourage me from this process, because I'm actually enjoying it. Like, I'm enjoying it. The volume, the texture. Honestly, it's not easy managing two textures. It is not easy. I'm not even going to lie. Like at this. So I'm back from the hair salon, and this is what my hair is looking like, guys, look at my hair. So my hairstylist, I think my hairstylist is, I don't know if I should say she's addicted to edge control. Like there is no kind of hair she will make for you without putting edge control. This woman loves edge control, but it's not bad. So this is what it looks like. And she was actually so happy with the length of my hair, and she also suggested that I shouldn't cut it yet, that I should still leave it to keep coming out, like for the new growth, for my new pattern, for my new coil to keep coming out. So I'm just going to do that. So I did shuku because I have some tutorial that I'll be filming in like subsequent weeks, and this is this style will be easier for me to show you guys the tutorials. So if you're new on my channel, once again, I am Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space, and I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. You can go through my feed, and enjoy, learn, watch my vlogs, watch my tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my very next one. Please do not forget to subscribe.